Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy M23 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do it, open Google Chrome application and tap on the three dots on the right corner there. Scroll down and choose settings option where we have our password, no payment method, password manager, passwords, and there we have password which our smartphone remember, maybe to our Netflix account. We can click there and there we can manage it. After we press this first icon, we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this ice icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also edit all by tap it and write something. You can delete all our smartphone remember by trash icon and confirm by delete passwords, and that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.